Once upon a time, in a small village nestled among the mountains, there lived a man named Raghav. The villagers called him Lazy Raghav because he would give up before even starting any work. If someone told him to do some work, he would immediately reply, "I will do it tomorrow," but his tomorrow never came. He felt that fate hadn't written anything good for him. When he saw a successful person, he would say, "Their luck is good, mine is not." One morning, a wise monk came to the village. Raghav was relaxing outside his house under a tree. The monk saw him and asked, "What are you doing?" Raghav replied, "Nothing, Maharaj, and that is the easiest thing for me." The monk asked, "Are you happy?" Raghav laughed aloud, "Happy? I am very unhappy, Maharaj. My life is useless. Luck doesn't favor me." The monk listened to him carefully and said, "If you wish, I can show you your fate." Raghav was astonished and said, "Really? You can show me my fate?" The monk nodded his head in affirmation. "Yes, but you will have to walk with me to the forest." For the first time, people saw Raghav get up and go somewhere. Reaching the forest, the monk stopped near a large stone. The stone was so heavy that even two men together couldn't move it. The monk said, "If you want to see your fate, push this stone." Raghav was startled. "Maharaj, are you joking? I can never move this stone." The monk said, "I didn't ask you to move the stone. I only asked you to push it." Raghav half-heartedly gave the stone a light push. The stone didn't even budge. He said, "See, there's no point in this. This is my fate." The monk smiled. "No, this is not your fate. This is your habit. You give up without even trying." The monk said, "Raghav, if you push this stone for just 10 minutes every morning, I will return in 40 days to tell you your fate." Raghav thought, "What difference will it make? But let me try anyway." The next day he reached the stone. On the first day, he got tired in just 3 minutes. The second day, 5 minutes. The third day, 7 minutes. He kept coming every day for 40 days. The stone didn't move, but something else was changing: his habits, his strength, his way of thinking. Now he started feeling better about himself. Gradually, the set time increased from 10 minutes to 20 minutes. People were surprised that Lazy Raghav goes to work every morning. The first change came in his life: regularity. On the 40th day, the monk returned. Raghav said excitedly, "Maharaj, I obeyed you and pushed the stone every day for 40 days. But it is still in its place. So, did my fate not change?" The monk looked at him deeply and said, "Raghav, let's see if your fate has changed or not. Not in the stone, but in you." Raghav was astonished. The monk said, "Before, you used to get tired after walking for 5 minutes. Now you can work for 2 full hours. Before, you used to postpone every task. Now you wake up first thing every morning. Before, you didn't trust yourself. Now you have done the same work continuously for 40 days." Then the monk pointed towards the stone and said, "This stone has taught you only one thing: To keep trying continuously without worrying about the result. This is what creates fate. The stone is in its place, but you are not in yours. You have changed, and this is your fate. Raghav's eyes welled up with tears. For the first time in his life, he understood that change doesn't start from the outside, but from within. From that day onwards, Raghav never let laziness come near him again. He started farming, bringing wood from the forest, and within a few months, his hard work placed him among the successful people of the village. People no longer called him lazy, but hardworking Raghav, and when someone asked him, "How did you change?" he would smile and say, "I didn't change my fate, I changed myself." Small, consistent efforts bring big changes. Fate changes for those who change themselves. Giving up is the biggest form of laziness. Change doesn't start from the outside, it starts from within. If you want to learn English with wisdom, please subscribe this channel.